Assalamu alaikum, this is me Ifrafzil and you are watching Programming with Faizan YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of upcoming videos at first. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all doing great. So in today's video, the application I'm going to introduce is the same Dream SQL Client, but the feature that I'm going to introduce is the very first feature named as Explorer. So let's open it. I have opened here, and here on the top some buttons are shown, and after that some major features like result, keywords, schema, challenge, level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are highlighted. So here the first thing that I will be introducing is the icon shown on the right top, that is database icon. So let's open it. The purpose of this database icon is that you can create and manage your own multiple databases. So this is just a wonderful feature. So here tutorial DB is the default database of this application, and if I want to create my own database, what I need to do is simply I'll be writing the name of my database, and the student database has been created, and here I'll be selecting the student database if I want to, and here student database has been selected. But my purpose was just to make you people understand, so I'll be deleting it here and I'll be selecting the default database tutorial DB. So I'm gonna cross it from here and let's move ahead. Here the features, the first one is a result. Here no record is shown because I haven't done and executed anything, so that's why the result is empty. After that, keywords, here some keywords are shown that you can use and practice in different levels. After that, schema. In schema, default database tutorial schema is shown in the form of tables. Here are some tables, and in front of every table there are three buttons. The first button is play button, and after that delete button, and after that the button that shows further information about that specific table. So let's touch on play button, and here some more record is shown related to that specific table in the form of columns. First column is serial number, course ID, and then prerequisite ID. After that, the delete button. By touching on the delete button, this table won't be deleted at once. Let's touch on it. I have touched on delete button and query successfully copied to the clipboard. Now what I'm gonna do is, by touching on this play button that is shown on the top middle, this table will be deleted. So here some more tables are shown and that works the same. But if you have deleted any table mistakenly, you can restore it simply from this fifth feature, that is revert TDB. The data that you may lost mistakenly, you can restore from here. So let's move ahead. After that, schema and then challenge. In schema, these tables are shown, and if you want to add or create your own table and you know the query accurately, you can create your own table as well. After that, this is the challenge feature. I have told you in my previous video that you can get from sixth feature, that is about us. In about us, the very last how app works, here that video will be shown, and you can get and you can watch that whole video. After that, some levels are shown. So here are some levels shown, or you can say these are tutorials to practice database in a good way. Let's open level 1 and see what we can practice in level 1. So I have opened here, and here are some queries shown and schema shown, and the answers of these queries are also given in the form of SQL in database here, and in the form of stream in Java, and in the form of LINQ in C#. So you can practice here SQL in database, but you can get the same queries in the form of stream in Java and LINQ in C# as well. So here I know the answer of first query in the form of SQL, so I'll be writing on the clipboard and executing it. So here I'm gonna write select. I'm writing the word keyword here, but they are giving me suggestions. So I'll be selecting from the suggestion, select instructor ID. From here suggestions are shown from instructor. So I have taken these keywords from suggestions. Okay, I am done. Now I'll be executing it. Now it has shown me the record related to that query and it is done. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll be matching my answer from the answers given here. Like I have written in SQL in database, so I'll be checking it from here. Select instructor underscore ID from instructor and then semicolon. So my answer is correct. Here the same query is given in stream in Java and LINQ in C#. So if you know, you can match your answers here as well. So these are the levels and tutorials that are used to practice a database. After that, level 2, after that level 3, after that level 4, after that level 5. Here so many queries in all the levels are given. Here these are the levels. So in level 1, the keywords that you can practice are shown here in the sixth feature about us. Here are the features, and here in level 1 contains select, distinct, where, order by, limit, tutorial. Level 2 contain and, or, not, between, in, like, regex, tutorial. In level 3 some more keywords that you can practice in level 3. In level 4 contains subqueries tutorials, and level 5 contains joins tutorials. In level 1 the keywords, and after in level 2 the keywords. In level 2 the level 1's keywords are also used, and level 2's new keywords also used. And then in level 3 level 1 and level 2 keywords are also added, and then after level 4 and level 5 so on you can practice. This application is just wonderful. It helps you to practice database more and more in a good way. It helps you in database courses, in Java programming courses, and in C# programming courses as well. So I'll be ending my video here. So let's meet you in next video. Until then, bye bye.